हाँ सर।
स्टार्ट करें। Today, before discussing the Carvanian शुरू करने से पहले I am starting to discuss about the electron pair within the molecule. What types of electron pair? First is the bonding pair. Bonding pair, the pair of electrons which is present within the molecule and involved in the bond. So it was in bonding and presently also in bonding, means these pairs of electrons are in bonding and support the bond. So this bonding pair is, we know that two types, sigma bonding pair and secondly pi bonding pair. So the sigma bonding pair, this is involved in the sigma bonding, and pi bonding pair, this involves in pi bonding. Another is the second is anti-bonding pair. Anti-bonding pair. This pair of electrons are opposing the bond formation, that going against the formation of bond. So it is also of two types. One is sigma star, another is pi star bonding pi sigma star and pi star. Sigma star bonding pair that opposes, मतलब सिग्मा स्टार जो है बॉन्डिंग पेयर वो अपोज करता है टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड, सिग्मा बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन का अपोज करता है। एंड पाई स्टार एंटी बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, ये जो पेयर है दिस अपोजेस द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड. Now, third type is the non-bonding pair. This type of bonding pair, this is present in the inner shell and this is neither opposing nor supporting any type of bond formation. Means it is not involved in bonding and not willing to form the bond and always present in the inner shell of molecule. Now, fourth type is the lone pair of electrons. This pair of electrons present in the molecule in valence shell, and it was not in bonding, presently also not in bonding, न था bonding में न है bonding. but it may be used for the formation of bond. So this is the pair of electrons present in the valence shell of molecule. It was not in bonding, वो नहीं था bonding में, is also not in bonding, और अभी भी presently bonding में नहीं है, but it may be used for the formation of bonding when it required. Example, simple NH3, this is lone pair. So this pair of electrons is present in valence shell and it may be used for bond. And fifth is the unpaired pair. Unpaired pair of electrons. This is important because before discussing the carbanion, I have discussed to this unpaired. Unpaired pair means this is the pair of electron in valence which was in bonding, but presently not in bonding, was in bonding, and presently not in bonding, but highly interested for bonding. तो बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहता है फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉन्ड. अब गौर करो, इट वाज नॉट इन बॉन्ड. सेम एग्जाम्पल, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल बताते. एनी मैरिड कपल, कोई मैरिड कपल रहता है और उसमें से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई है मैरिड कपल, उसका वाइफ का डेथ हो जाता है. गौर करोगे कि वो चाहता है कि जितना जल्दी हो अगेन वो मैरिज का. क्यों? वहां वो एक्सप्लेनेशन देता है कि फैमिली को संभालने के लिए कोई चाहिए. लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि वो बॉन्डिंग में था, पत्नी के साथ था और उस लाइफ का यूज टू था. तो अब वो अकेला नहीं रह सकता. किंतु वाइफ का डेथ हुआ, देन अनपेयर्ड पेयर वो हो गया और वो हाईली इंटरेस्टेड है जल्दी से जल्दी इसकी शादी हो जाए, बॉन्ड बन जाए. दिस इज द अनपेयर्ड पेयर. तो नाउ आई एम कमिंग ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ आवर टुडे टॉपिक. The topic is carbanion. Second intermediate, carbanion. Carbanion. This carbanion is, this is the carbon. Look here, the 3 sigma bond already here and one negative charge, but here 2 electrons. 2 electrons, that 2 electrons is unpaired pair. देखो यहाँ होता क्या है, each pair A and these 2 electrons between these two, one electron is of carbon, another is of A. If A loses this electron, तो ये जो है this is here. So now carbon getting one extra electron. So this is the reason why negative charge, and here A departs without its electron. यहाँ use देखो use of writing technique here, correct writing technique. A is departing, so always write the removing group or leaving group below the air, and the technique of using the arrow, that this electron going towards carbon, so like this, and A will move. Many people writing this way. This is completely wrong. This is the way. Arrow ऐसे यूज करना, ये तरीका. तो नाउ और लीविंग ग्रुप को इस जो एरो है इसके नीचे लिखना. Now the second thing, now define this carbon. Simply definition, the negatively charged hydrocarbon where the carbon having three bonding pairs, 1, 2, 3, three bonding pairs and one unpaired pair having negative charge, that is carbon. Means the negatively charged hydrocarbon where central carbon that is containing three bonding pair in valence shell and one unpaired pair having negative charge, this is carbanium. So that easily you can define the carbanium properly. Properly means negatively charged hydrocarbon where the carbon having three bonding pairs in valence shell and one unpaired pair, that is called carbanium. So don't remember the definition. You can write definition in own words and in own words. If ये समझना है, you must have to understand that the carbon having three bonding pairs in valence shell and one unpaired pair, and this is the reason why it having one charge. So this is the definition of carbanium. Now the structure of carbanium. The structure, there is two possibilities. Look at here. I am writing for this. Taking example of this carbanium. Here one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. Here and look here, one unpaired pair here and negative charge. This is one possible structure. मैं बाद में I will discuss later what is the correct structure, but here the assumption that one possible structure is this. तो इसको क्या कहेंगे structure? that is tetrahedral A structure and shape pyramidal. Pyramidal, same like ammonia. This is the pyramidal shape, and here same, this is the pyramidal. But hybridization is sp3, hybridization sp3, structure is tetrahedral, and shape is pyramidal. One assumption. Here I am assuming the possible structure. So the one assumption is the sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral structure, and shape is pyramidal. Second assumption, firstly assume the what may be possible. This possibility, that is sp2 hybridization, a structure triangular and shape triangular planar. So the first assumption, sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral structure, pyramidal shape. Second assumption, sp2 hybridized, triangular structure, shape triangular pyramidal. Here the unshared pair here unshared pair present in sp3 hybridized organism. Here unshared pair present in unhybridized organism. Now the question is, there is two possibilities. But what is the real structure of carbanium? So here, according to spectroscopic evidence, this is the practical evidence, or it cannot be ignored. The spectroscopic evidence that saying that according to spectroscopic evidence, the carbanium having generally the normal carbanium having sp3 hybridization, the structure is tetrahedral and shape is pyramidal. This is according to spectroscopic evidence. But logical evidence, is the first evidence that the stereochemical evidence. The stereochemical evidence, according to this, that if the original molecule all the four groups are different, then it will be optically active. Three-dimensional structure, all the four substituent at the carbon are different, then it is optically active. Now, if optically active, this is plus optical activity, and when removing one subsequent or group from the carbon, it will form the carbanion, and it is observed that the no change in optical activity. So if this is plus and result is same, retention of configuration, इसको कहते हैं retention of configuration from plus to plus. This strongly supports that the carbanion is tetrahedral, three-dimensional structure. क्योंकि if it will have, अगर ऐसा होता, if it will, अगर ऐसा होता कि it will have, अगर ऐसा होता कि it has planar triangular structure and shape is planar, तो ऐसा होता तो then optical activity will be lost, वो खत्म हो जाती. But here optical activity is retained, retention of configuration. It means ये three-dimensional structure of the mother compound is not changed, retention of configuration. So this is a strong evidence in favor of the carbanion having tetrahedral structure and pyramidal shape. Second evidence, and that is also very strong evidence, the formation of carbanion at bridgehead position. This this is bicyclic compound. So this carbon and this carbon, these two carbon is named as bridgehead position because from where this bridge is started, ये जो bridge है, this is started from these two carbon. So these two carbon are named as bridgehead position. मान लो कि देखो यहाँ गौर करो, this is in one plane, so this lobe is standing up to plane. तो अगर ऐसे है, both is this carbon, so now this lobe is our hand, my hand. So these two carbon is bridgehead position, and this will never get the planar shape. But here carbanion is false. It means carbanion is never planar. ये कभी planar नहीं हो. Means carbanion is tetrahedral and pyramidal shape. It has. Now next evidence, logical evidence. Surprising evidence. Look here. This carbanion having conjugated pi bond, or this is more stable than this carbanion. अब तो यहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो गई. दिस इज a big problem. हमारा जो था स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक एविडेंस, लॉजिकल एविडेंस, इसके मुताबिक अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर गिवन एविडेंस द कार्बेनियन इज नेवर प्लेनर, but here this is more stable than this. However, this is planar. क्यों planar है? Because here resonance is stabilized like this here. तो resonance हो रहा है तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर like this. It means these carbons are in one place. तो अभी हमने कहा था कि it has never planar structure. It has three-dimensional tetrahedral structure, shape is pyramidal, but here this is completely going against our earlier given evidence and logic for a structure of carbanion, and I told you that the carbanion is tetrahedral and shape is pyramidal. तो ये तो कंट्राडिक्टरी हो। The explanation quite clear, very clear. कैसे? याद करो, एक छोटा सा कहानी ये है कि दो बच्चे आपस में झगड़ रहे थे। दे हैव आर्गुमेंट अगेंस्ट ईच अदर, दोनों लड़ रहे थे और एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट में आर्गुमेंट कर रहे थे। वन वाज टेलिंग, एक कह रहा था कि 100 इज बिगर अमाउंट, मैंने 100 बढ़ा है 90 से 90 से, मैंने 100 इज larger than 90. And second child was argumenting there. Second बच्चा argument कर रहा था कि 90 is bigger than 100. मतलब 90 जो है that is bigger than, वो बड़ा है। तो both are quarreling, दोनों झगड़ रहे थे वेरी लाउडली, बहुत तेजी से दोनों वो आपस में झगड़ रहे थे। तो देन ग्रैंडफादर, दादाजी केम देयर, वहां आए और एक ने कहा कि दादाजी 100 इज बिगर देन 90, 100 90 से बड़ा है। तो दूसरा कह रहा था नहीं दादाजी, ग्रैंडफादर, 90 इज बिगर देन 100, 90 बड़ा है 100 से। अब दोनों बच्चे एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट में बोल रहे। दादाजी, grandfather was very quietly, very silently hearing the argument of both sides. And finally, grandfather told that the 100 is bigger than 90. But 90 is not a small. 90 से बड़ा है, लेकिन 90 भी छोटा है। दोनों बच्चे खुद को यहाँ यही कहा कि जनरली कार्बेनियन is sp3 hybridized tetrahedral pyramidal state, but where the resonance is required or where the planarity is required, then it will change to sp2 hybridized triangular structure and triangular planar shape. मतलब when required the planarity, it will get the planar shape, sp2 hybridized. And when it does not require the planarity, then it is normally sp3 and pyramid. This was the explanation. But here, the reason is why to see sp2 and sp3 easily converted, because the energy difference between sp3 and sp2 carbanion is not very large. So the smaller energy difference between these two structures, this is the reason why when required the planarity, it will take the planar structure and shape. Otherwise, normal carbanion are sp3 tetrahedral and shape is pyramidal. Now the stability of carbanion. Stability. Carbanion having negative charge. Carbocation was that has positive charge. So the here, first factor is inductive effect. Inductive effect just reverts to carbocation stability. One thing I want to explain here, the hyperconjugation is not existing in case of carbanion. Reason is very simple. Why? क्योंकि देखो here, consider this. For hyperconjugation, it should have this type of structure. And we know that hyperconjugation जो है effect that works without external support automatically or permanent effect within the model. But here, in carbanion, case of carbanion, this type of hyperconjugation forms. So here hydrogen having negative charge, we know that hydrogen is the smallest atom and its valence shell is 1s. So the 1s orbital is the smallest orbital. So the very small orbital as this having 2 electrons, in case of hydrogen, this is the nucleus where a single proton. So the inter-electron repulsion dominates over the attraction between one proton and 2 electrons. Inter-electron repulsion dominates against over the attraction between these 2 electrons and 1 proton in nucleus. Because these 2 electrons are in the smallest one s orbital. This is the reason why hydride ion is formed very less amount, very rare. However, S plus forms easily. So this is the reason why this hyperconjugation is not possible in carbanium. So now hyperconjugation in case of carbanium is not possible. So this factor is not working here. Now inductive effect. देखो, यह simple है. In chemistry, the general principle that principle is decreasing the charge density, increasing the stability of ion. So for example, look at here. Here 3 plus I group pushing bonding pair towards negatively charged carbon. It means their charge density increased largely. It means it has lesser stability than because here 2 plus I group. So the lesser movement of bonding pair towards carbon than this, because here 3 plus I group. However, this is less stable than because here only 1 plus I group. So the presence of plus I group at the negatively charged carbon, that will decrease largely the stability of carbon. But in reverse case, presence of minus I group, example is FF. This is more stable than this is more stable than this. Why? Because here 3 minus I group, they will pull the bonding pair like this towards itself. So the huge decrease in charge density in this case. Here 2 minus I group fluorine, lesser pulling these bonding pair towards itself means lesser stability than this. Same explanation in this case. So the presence of minus I group at the negatively charged carbon, that makes the carbanium greater stable. So the presence of plus I group increases the stability of carbanium because of increasing the charge density at the negatively charged carbon. Presence of minus I group at the negatively charged carbon, that will decrease the charge density at negatively charged carbon, which causes increasing the stability of carbon. Second factor is for stability. Second factor is stabilization by conjugated by bond. Stabilization by second factor is, this is second factor for stability, is the stabilization by conjugated by bond. I have discussed earlier that this is more stable. I have discussed during the structure. This because here the conjugated pi bond that makes carbanium more stable by resonance. देखो ऐसे लिखोगे एरो यूज देखो केमिस्ट्री में writing technique is very important. Slightly mistake, a small mistake that will make the answer wrong. So the how to use the arrow, हमेशा ध्यान दो, always mark how I am using, ऐसे ही use करना. So the here resonance, delocalization of charge, and अंत में ये 3 parallel line last में लिखो and write down the from where to where charge is moving by dot dot. This is. So here, this is the ideal structure, real structure is. So the from this to this means one negative charge moving from one carbon to another. मतलब एक और दो कार्बन पर मूव कर रहा है. So mathematically you can say that one carbon having minus half charge. क्योंकि दो पर एक charge. It means spreading of charge. Charge बट गया. And now the delocalization of charge here. And I have told you yesterday कि कोई भी charge, if it is delocalized, so then it is very difficult for the opposite charge to add on it because charge is not localized. जैसे क्रिमिनल को पुलिस पकड़ने जाए, if a criminal is searching by police and this criminal having not another hideout, तो पुलिस can easily catch. अगर कोई क्रिमिनल एक ही जगह रह रहा तो पुलिस को इजी है उसे कैच कर पकड़ने के लिए. But if having different hideout, so it is not difficult to arrest. क्योंकि वो delocalized है, चार्ज में भी यही. So if greater the delocalization, greater the stability of ion. और कोई भी इंटरमीडिएट का अगर स्टेबिलिटी कहते हो, if any ion having greater the stability, so that will be very important for the reaction, क्योंकि वहाँ reaction हुई taking large amount, क्योंकि इंटरमीडिएट इज स्टेबल इंटरमीडिएट में रिएक्शन बहुत होता है. छोटा सा लाइफ का एग्जाम्पल कि तुम किसी को पीट दो, इफ यू आर बीटिंग समवन और क्राउड वहां आ गए और यू आर स्टेबल देयर, यू हैव लार्ज स्टेप, तो क्या होगा रिजल्ट? तुम अच्छे तरह पीट जाओ, पब्लिक फ्रॉम पब्लिक। इसका मतलब रिएक्शन बहुत ज्यादा होगी। यही हाल है intermediate is very stable. The large amount of product is formed, reaction is very productive, and reaction rate is very high. So here, larger the delocalization of charge or larger the dispersion of charge, greater the stability of carbanion. For example, one example is this carbon. This is more stable than this because here two conjugated pi bonds and here the delocalization larger than this. How? देखो यहाँ delocalization, two conjugation means one delocalization. This now again movement, then and last hybrid structure. So to here delocalization of negative charge due to extra conjugation that will disperse the negative charge as one carbon and two and three. Means now one carbon having -1/3 charge. And delocalization is large. This is the reason why this carbanion is more stable than this. So the greater the conjugation, greater the delocalization, greater the stability of carbon. Now third point is conjugation with aromatic ring. Third is conjugation with aromatic ring. देखो सेम लाइक कार्बोकैटायन, here one aromatic ring, this, so here again large delocalization of negative charge now again It means the negative charge is delocalized in these large areas. So that this causes the larger stability of this carbon because large delocalization of negative charge due to aromatic ring which is located at the negatively charged carbon. So the same like carbocation here, this carbon triphenyl methyl carbanion is more stable than diphenyl methyl carbanion is more stable than this is the sequence of stability of carbon. But here, look at here. However, this having tetrahedral carbanion, but here resonance stabilization. So the carbanion having planar shape and triangular structure. Now question is same like as carbocation, triphenyl benzyl carbocation, triphenyl methyl carbocation. This is very difficult to form this. However, huge resonance stabilization, but within one plane, three big groups that cause huge intramolecular exchange. So the stability will decrease largely, but in fact, this is very stable carbon. Why? Because it gets the propeller shape like this. The propeller shape, not the exact hexagonal shape. This type of shape, and here the bonding, this 6 pi electron in benzene B that is localized in one direction more than another. देखो यहाँ ज्यादा डेंसिटी, यहाँ कम, here more density, here less, here more density, here less, so that this repulsion and this repulsion is minimized, and this is called the propeller shape. By getting the propeller shape, this carbanion decreases intramolecular exchange and getting the more stability because of huge resonance stabilization by 3 aromatic. So Fourth factor is that conjugation with. Fourth factor is conjugated this or this bond. If the conjugated COCl shares these bonds, then it will provide the more stability. For example, look at here. This. So the here very stable, this carbanium. So the delocalized charge here. But one thing important, I want to tell you that this carbanium, look at conjugated CO, this bond, CC double bond, and here CO double bond. So this carbanium is more stable than this. It is more stable. Why? Because these three type of double bonds, here these three groups having one extra effect, that is minus I effect. But here no minus I. So this minus I effect with the resonance delocalization of charge, both factor operating in this, so this carbanium is more stable than this, and this is very stable carbanium. Now fifth factor. Stabilization by cyclopropyl. Yesterday I have discussed that the cyclopropyl gene provides the greater stability than the phenyl gene in case of carbocation. So, but here, look at this. This is less stable than CS2. This. However, in carbocation, we have discussed in yesterday's class, this is more stable this. In yesterday's class, I have discussed in case of carbocation, cyclopropyl gene providing more stability than phenyl gene. However, in carbanium, cyclopropyl gene stabilizing the carbanium, but lesser than phenyl gene. So the here reason is quite clear. Look at here, CS2, this is the shape of cyclopropyl ring. Here sigma bonding, here sigma bonding, here sigma. Yesterday I have discussed you that in cyclopropyl ring, bond angle is not exactly 60 degrees because all three carbons are sp3 hybridized. It should have 109. And in cyclopropyl G, you see, having all the angles are 60 degrees. So that it is not possible to bend the orbital from 109 to 60 degrees. So that this is the reason why this type of location of sp3 hybridized orbital. But here, in the carbocation, this is vacant p orbital, and there was interaction between vacant p and filled sp3 side by side. This interaction, which was caused the decrease in charge density at carbon in carbocation, because their p orbital was vacant. But here p orbital is filled. So the interaction of this filled p and filled sp3, which are two pairs parallel to these, causes the repulsion. So that this side by side interaction, causes repulsion, and which results to decreasing the stability of carbanium. But here one thing, is sigma conjugation is working. This is the reason why cyclopropyl G stabilizes the carbanium. So sigma conjugation same as carbocation. Look at here. So the here delocalization of charge due to sigma conjugation. And this is the reason why cyclopropyl being stabilizes the carbanium, but lesser than aromatic ring because the जो हमने अभी explanation दिया था, the repulsion between the filled sigma orbital sp3 of carbon and filled p orbital of carbanium. तो repulsion एक तरफ है, तो in second way there is delocalization of charge by sigma conjugation, and so the cyclopropyl being providing the stability to carbanium but lesser than aromatic ring, which is which is different from carbocation. Now the stabilization by the S character. Sixth explanation, S character. S character, here, look at this carbon. This. Next is this. And another this. Now, here important. This carbon is sp hybridized. So that this carbon is sp hybridized. And this carbon is here, the negatively charged carbon is sp2 hybridized. And here negatively charged is sp3. So the percentage of S character in this case between S and P, half is S, half is P. So the here 50%. Here among three, one is S, 33%. Here among four, one is S, 25%. Increasing the S character, it means a smaller the orbital where unpaired pair is present. So that will more closer to the nucleus of negatively charged carbon. And more closer to nucleus means greater the force of attraction between nucleus and unpaired pair. And greater the force of attraction, greater the stability. So this is the reason why stability is equal to this. So the larger the character, greater the stability of carbon. Now stabilization by S or P atom. Stabilization by S or P atom. Therefore, this is also important. We know that S is the sixth group element, P is fifth group. Both are having the bracket 3d orbital in the valence shell. So, if you have this carbanium, this and here S, which are having bracket d orbital. So this is field p orbital, and this is the bracket d orbital. So the side by side this interaction or overlap, side by side this overlap will cause the dispersion of charge. देखो ऐसे this way. मतलब vacated d orbital and filled p orbital having side by side overlap, which is called as formation of p pi d pi. P pi d pi, this type of bond formation, which causes the delocalization of negative charge. So this is the reason why S and P orbital atom, when attached with negatively charged carbon, that will provide the greater stability of carbon. Now, there is 8th factor. Next factor is stabilization by aromaticity. Stabilization by aromaticity. This is simply this carbon. This is very stable carbon because it is aromatic, which follows the Huckel's rule, follows the delocalization of charge, planar structure, mode electron in bonding orbital, different conditions of aromaticity. So, this is aromatic and this is greater stable. For example, this is the more stable than this. However, here 3 conjugated pi bonds greater the delocalization of charge. Here 2 conjugated pi bonds greater the delocalization. But this is aromatic. This is not aromatic. And this is the reason why this is more stable than this. Now, stabilization by non-conjugated pi bond. Stabilization by non-conjugated pi bond. Look here. This carbanium is very stable because of here pi bond is non-conjugated. But this way, it has delocalization of charge like this. देखो, and yesterday I have already told you that the reason is देखो, here this is pi bond between carbon and oxygen bonding theory, pi bonding theory here, like this. And now, this carbon having negative charge, here electron pair, unpaired pair, and having negative charge. Look at here, this filled p orbital of carbon is along the same axis of the pi orbital of this carbon. So the here complete overlapping process. So the overlapping with this pair shifted towards oxygen makes this process. This is the reason why here the non-conjugated pi bond provides the greater stability, larger stability to carbanion by now the generation method, different type of generation of carbanion. This is of three ways. One is heterocyclic bond cleavage. Sorry, heterolytic. Sorry, I am doing mistake. Heterolytic, not cyclic. Heterolytic bond cleavage. For example, this leaving without its electron and forms carbon. This is heterolytic bond cleavage and formation of carbon. Second method is addition of an anion on pi bond. This is the second method. Addition of an anion on the pi bond. This second method is this carbon having pi bond. Any anion when added here, then we will get the carbon. And third method, reduction of free radical. Look here, this is free radical. One electron is added, then carbanion is formed. So these are three type of process by which we can generate the carbon. Now, the reactions of carbon. Types of reaction of carbon. Types of reactions of carbanium. This is of first type, addition reaction. First type is addition reaction. This reaction is the very common, and this we can notice it in many reactions. So here addition reaction is of two types. Here addition is of two types. One is addition with cation. Addition with cation like this. This is carbanium, and any cation, then formation of a sigma bond and a neutral molecule. So the one type of addition is. Second is the addition on pi bond. For example, look at here. This the addition on pi bond that causes the formation of another carbon. So the one reactor in addition, that is addition with positive ion and forms a neutral molecule. Secondly, the addition with pi bond, formation of another carbon. Now, second reaction is elimination. Elimination reaction, here look it. Elimination that causes the formation of a neutral molecule and a pi bond. So this is the case of elimination. So in elimination, one leaving group at the adjacent carbon removed or departs with the bonding pair, formation of a pi bond, and results to neutral molecule. Now, third one reaction is rearrangement. The example of this, look at here. Here, Here at negative charge. So here rearranging this molecule formation of another carbanion. But this carbanion is more stable than this, which is the driving force behind this rearrangement. So, one thing is important. In all the reactions, all the organic reactions, if there is any intermediate forming, it is certain that the rearranged product will form definitely. It does not matter what amount of rearranged product, what percentage of the rearrangement product is formed, question कुछ न कुछ rearranged product is formed. किसी भी रिएक्शन में when we are isolating some rearranged product, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर कोई कार्बोकैटायन कोई भी कैटायन ऐड होगा तो देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी टू ऐड हियर, वन पॉसिबिलिटी, सेकंड टू ऐड हियर. देखो जैसे मान लो यहाँ पर कोई भी कैटायन ऐड होगा तो यहाँ दो प्रोडक्ट बनेंगे, पीएच पीपीएच एस पी एस एस ए. This is the one product, and second product is PSP, PSA, C. देखो two products. अब now this product is called rearranged product, and this is due to rearrangement. So that if any reaction you are getting both products, original and rearranged, then it is confirmed that in that reaction intermediate is forming. So this is a strong evidence to confirm that any reaction having whether intermediate or not, if intermediate is forming, it is sure that certain amount of rearranged product will form. It does not matter कितना rearranged product is forming, ये मैटर नहीं. मैटर ये है कि थोड़ा या ज्यादा अगर rearranged product बन रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि that reaction involving the intermediate वहां है. Now next reaction of types of reaction, the oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction, fourth type, that if a carbanion is releasing one electron, then यहाँ जो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसमें से एक निकल रहा है तो then it will form the free radical. This is the oxidation reaction of carbon. So we have seen here, first is what is the carbanion, second is what types of structure. तो मैंने कहा कि one is possible जो मेन है स्ट्रक्चर, मोस्ट ऑफ कार्बेनियम जनरली हैविंग sp3 tetrahedral structure, hybridization sp3 shape is pyramidal. Where the planarity is required, जहां भी planarity जरूरी है, in that case it will get the sp2 hybridization, वहां पर sp2 हो जाएगा. Structure is triangular and shape is planar triangle. तो दिस वाज स्ट्रक्चर, और उसका हमने कई एविडेंस दिया, ब्रिगेड पोजीशन पर बनाना, या स्टेरियोकेमिकल एविडेंस हो या रिजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर, नो डिफरेंस, एंड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी. नाउ द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बन.